Oh, this is a very exciting day for us. We're commenced construction of the factory here in Maryborough. There's been a lot of hard work from all our staff, both from government and also from government and people in the region, Fraser Coast Council, and it means we're moving forward. We're in the delivery phase. We're going to be delivering reliable, affordable energy to Queenslanders and also around Australia. So for us, it's that new beginning for us. This is going to provide affordable, reliable energy. We have a significant amount of energy within the system generated during the day. What we can do is transfer that across and deliver cheap, reliable energy to people. And I think that is what people need. In the cost of living crisis, we need to deliver that cheap energy so that people can continue their lives as normal. They can use their appliances, they can use their air conditioners, industry can function with a confidence that they will not be paying too much for their energy. Our aim is to deliver and support the energy transition, but also, more importantly, that affordable energy around the country to ensure that people can access that cheap energy. And we'll look to expand this site, bring it up to full capacity so that we can deliver the equivalent of Toowoomba's energy usage every year. So for here we'll be currently clearing and benching the site. Early next year we start the preparation for slab with the aim of completing this site here, having operations commencing in Q4 in 2025.